Good morning, dear students and parents. From today onwards, we are going to have a review program. I hope you have watched all the videos. So far, we have completed 3 chapters in math. Chapter number 3, Playing with Numbers. Chapter number 7, Fraction. And chapter number 8, Decimals. Now, it's a time for us to complete these chapters in your classwork. After completing classwork, you have to take photo and send to this email ID. Now take your 120 pages long size unruled notebook. In first page, you have to write your name, class and subject name. In next page, in third page, you have to draw margin, write chapter name and chapter number. And for writing headings, subheadings and questions, you have to use black stick pen. And for answers, you have to use blue pen. Don't use ballpoint pen, use ink pen. In playing with numbers, we have discussed about factors, multiples, perfect number, types of number, divisibility, test for divisibility of numbers, common factor, common multiples, prime factorization, HCF and LCM. Only these concepts we discussed in chapter 3, playing with numbers. Now take your math classwork note and NCERT book which you have received from school. Now we will start from chapter 3, playing with numbers. First, write about natural numbers, whole numbers, then write the definition of factor, then find factor of 24, and next sum, find factor of 15. After completing these, take your book page number 50, exercise 3.1 in first Roman letter C, D, E. You have to solve these 3 sums in your classwork. Next concept is multiples. Write the definition of multiples, then write a sum. After completing this, take your book page number 50, exercise 3.1. In second Roman letter, you have to solve B and C sum. Next one is perfect number. Write this concept, then write a sum. Check 6 is a perfect number or not. After completing a sum, you have to find the answer for B sum. Next one, types of numbers. We have studied 6 types of numbers. Even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers, co-prime numbers and twin prime numbers. Write those concepts. After completing these concepts, take your book page number 53, exercise 3.2. From 1 to 12 exercise, you have to do it in your book itself. Next one is divisibility. Write the concept of divisibility and test for divisibility of numbers. Here you are having 10 divisibility of numbers. First one, divisible by 2 and divisible by 3, divisible by 4, divisible by 5, divisible by 6, divisible by 7, divisible by 8, divisible by 9, divisible by 10 and divisible by 11. You have to write those divisible rules and examples in your classwork. After completing this, write this sum. Replace star by the smallest number to make it divisible by 11. Copy this sum. And second one, replace star by the smallest number to make it divisible by 9. Copy these 2 sums in your classwork. After completing this, take your book page number 57, exercise 3.3. From 1 to 3, you have to write in your book itself. 4, 5, 6, you have to solve it in your math classwork. Next one is common factor. Copy this sum in your classwork. After completing this, Take page number 59, exercise 3.4. In first Roman letter, B and C sum. In second Roman letter, A and B sum. You have to do it in your classwork. Next one, common multiples. You have to find common multiples for 6 and 12. After completing this sum, take page number 59, exercise 3.4. In third Roman letter, A and B sum. In fifth Roman letter, A and B sum. You have to do it in your classwork. That's it, students. Today you have to complete 4 exercises in chapter 3. Dear parents, instruct your ward to complete the classwork on the day itself. After completing classwork, take photo and send to edustar.6@gmail.com. Thank you.